So today we will discuss squares and roots, chapter 5. So square means square number we will deal. Square number. Okay. Square number is those numbers which comes after multiplying one number with itself. Suppose 1 into 1. So 1 is a square number. 1 is a square number. Then 2 into 2, 4. It is a square number. Then 3 into 3 equal to 9. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 into 5, 24. Like these are your square numbers. Square numbers are those numbers which has come by multiplying two numbers with the same number. So this is a square number. They are also called perfect square. Perfect square number, they are also called perfect square numbers. Okay. Now we will, before doing exercise, these square number has some peculiarities like this. In all numbers which will end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Any number which will end. If a number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, it is a perfect square or a square number. Okay. So keeping this in mind, we will be now solving our exercise. Now question number 1. So here you have to tell the unit digit. Some numbers they have given, they are asking what will be the unit digit of the square. Like 5's square is 25, 4's square is 16. So likewise they want square of 81. And then what will be its unit number? What will be its unit positions? So its unit position is 1. If any number is, now we can make this also 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So any number is having this at the end, their square is also 1. So 81 its unit digit. Its unit digit will be 1. Like 2, so its unit digit will be 4. 3, its unit digit is 9. 4, its unit 5. 6, 7, 9, 8, 4. So these are the 0, its unit will be 00. Okay. So this is the unit numbers. So based on this we will answer the questions. So question number 1, 2, they want 272, then unit will be 4. Then third 799799. So it's 9. So it will be 1. Likewise 4, 3, 8, 5, 3, 9. So in this way all the questions you can solve. If you learn these things, you can do. Okay. Now we are going to question number 2. You have to tell which are not perfect square. Some numbers they have given and asking you not a perfect square, not perfect. I told you perfect number means they came from any natural number by multiplying itself. 5 into 5, 4 into 4, 6 into 6, like this. 6 into 6, 30. So, and how we can know it is a perfect or not? Perfect number have a peculiarity that ends with this. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So based on this we can check whether it is a perfect square or not. Likewise, question 2, 1 number is 1057. So 7 is not there, so it is not a perfect number. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. It is also not a perfect number because it is not here. Unit digit is not there. Then suppose 2, 7, 7, 9, 2, 8. 7, 9, 2, 8. It is also not a perfect number. But which of the following numbers is not. So these numbers and reason, they are asking reason also. Reason, if any number ends with this, then only it can become a perfect number. So these all numbers are not perfect numbers. So in question, and in case of zeros, in case of 0, 2, 2, 2 and 3 0 are there. So 0 should be in even. 0 should be in even number. In even means here only 2 0, 1 is not, this is one single. So 2 is in even. It is not in even, so it will not be a perfect number because the perfect numbers always has 0 in even number. Means at the end they will have 2 zeros or 4 zeros like this. It will have a even number of the, so this is also not there. Now this following would be now question number 3rd I am going to tell. Question number 3rd one. The squares of which of the following would be odd number? So 431, its square, because last number is 1, it will be 1, so it is a odd number will come. If last number is 1, their last number will also, square's last number, unit digit of the square number will also have 1. Then if question number 2826. Now here the last number is 6, so its square if you will make, in that unit digit will be 6 only. Like 3rd 7779. If you will make a square of it, the number which will come, that's last number, that's unit digit will be, because here 9, so there 1 will come. Okay. Likewise, 4th 82004. So if any number is this, you make a square of it. In that square number, the last digit will be 6. Okay. Now we will going to the next question. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Here you will learn a new pattern. Like on 2 second we want to do 2 square plus 2, next number is 3 square plus, now you multiply these two numbers, it will come 6 square. It will always be the square of the next number 6, then it will be square of 7. Okay, so this is a peculiarity of a square number. One number, then next consecutive number, and multiplication of both these numbers, it will be always equal to the next number. So in this pattern, suppose we will write 4 square, we will write 4 square plus then 4 after 5 square plus 4 and 5 multiplied by 4 5 is 12. 12 square, it will be equal to 13 square. So its square will be 21 square. Okay. So in this way you have to now find here which number will come. So here 20 in the question you have to fill. This is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was 4th number. This was your 4th number. Now then fifth what they are asking, 5 square plus gap plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. So we know this number is the product of here and here. So 5, 6 या 30, so here will be 6 square. 5, 6 square equal to 30, and it is this all will be equal to the next number's square. Okay, and the last 6 square plus 7 square plus 6 7 ja 42 square would be equal to 43 and square. Okay, so in this is also a peculiarity of the our square number. Now question number 7 we are going. Question number 7, without doing the sum, you have to tell the number, like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So without adding this number, you have to tell the number, what number will come. So odd numbers, successive odd numbers from 1. Successive odd numbers, meaning one after one. If you add their square, their addition will be the square of numbers, count of the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here count is 5. So its addition will be 5 square. Addition will be 5 square, because 5 numbers are here. So it will be 25 will be your answer. Without doing the answer, it will be 25 will be your answer. Okay. Now if we increase the number, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus odd numbers you have to write. Successive odd number, 5, 7, 9, 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. So without doing addition, you have to tell what will be the number. So we will count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So count is here 10. So the number addition will be 10 square, means it will come always 100. Okay. Likewise, if we increase it more, means these numbers are there, and then we go on increasing, plus 19, then plus 21, plus 23. Now the numbers count will come 12, because up to 10 it was 10, 11 and 12. So that its sum will be 12 square, means it will be 144. So in this way, this is also a property. Without doing the actual sum, actual addition, you can tell the square, the addition, how much will addition come. Okay. Now question number 8. Question number 8 we are going to do. Okay. Question number 8.1. So express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So 7 odd numbers means you have to write 7 odd numbers and its total will come. So what will be the number? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have to write the odd number, because that property is of odd number. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So its total will be 49, because here 7 numbers are there. So its total will be the square of the count. 17, 5, 25, 4, 5, 9, 16, 9, 25. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. 7 odd numbers, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one number, 7 odd numbers. 7 odd numbers, then it will become 49. Okay. Express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. Means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. How many numbers it is? It should be 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So its total will be 11th square. 11th square is 1 to 1. So question is 1 to 1 you have to write as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So sum of 11 odd numbers. Question number 9. They are asking between two square numbers, lie between the square numbers. Between two numbers, how many between squares of the following numbers? They are giving like 12, 1, 9, 1. They are asking 12 and 13. How many numbers are there in between 12th square and 13th square? If we make a square of 12 and a square of 13, how many numbers will be in between? In between, like it is 144, it is 144, 13th is a 169. So it will be numbers are 5, 4, no. So how we will know? Okay. So they want how many numbers are in between. Means 12th square you have to take and 13th square. So between numbers they ask. Between numbers means we should not count this number or this number, excluding these two numbers. Excluding these two numbers we have to count. So if you minus one number from the other, it will come 25, but that includes one number in it. Either 169 or 169 is already included in it. So what we should do, we should count in this way. Between 25 numbers are there. 169 minus 144, 25. So we have to reduce one, because otherwise this number will also come here. So between means exclude this and exclude this. So instead of 25 you have to write 24 minus 1. Okay, so here it should be the square of the 24 numbers. Okay, so how it comes? So it comes always the n square. Means first number you have to take and its square you have to make. So 12 double 2n. Formula is 2n. So its number will be 2 into 12. So it will be 24 number. 2n is the formula. So 24 numbers will come in between 12th square and 13th square. Another question they are asking, 25 and 26, how many numbers will be in between? So 25 square if we will take and 26 square we will take, the number in between will come always equal to 2n, means 50 numbers. 2 into 25. 2 into 25 is equal to 50 numbers will be there. This will be your answer. Then the third we are 99 and 100. If we make a square of it and ask you how many numbers are in between. So in between the numbers will always be 99 into 2 into 99. Means this much number will be there in between the squares of 99 and 100. Okay. So this chapter is this exercise is over. I will tell you some more interesting facts of the squares. Okay, we will rub it and then we will tell. Okay. More peculiarity of the square numbers means product of two. Product means multiply. Product of two, odd or even or odd, even or odd number. Product of two even or odd number, but it should be consecutive. Of two consecutive. Consecutive means they should be in like 11 and 13. Suppose even number, odd number you are taking, to 11 and 13 you have to say. So what it says ki multiplication product of two consecutive odd number 11 into 13, it will always be equal to the number here. The number you reduce, add it 1 or reduce 1 here. Either you make plus 1 or minus 1 here, it will be always equal. Like here 12 square. 12 square will be the product of this number. Or suppose you want to take 44 into 46. So plus 1 either do or minus 1 you do. So it will be 45 square minus 1. Okay, minus 1. This comes how? So actually this comes a square minus b square. This is the formula. Based on this it works. So how it works? So first we will take how it works. So here we will take 45 minus 1. 45 plus 1 we will take and multiply it by 45 minus 1. 46, 45 minus 1 and 45 minus 1. So the number comes, it will be equal to this number. So either you take 46 or you take 44. This is equal to 44 and this is equal to 46. That's why its product, this number and this number, their product is always, the answer will always be you take the middle number 45 or less one 44. So it will be always like this, 8 square. Okay. So this is one of the properties. Now the property is over. We will go to the next exercise. Okay. Exercise number 5.2. We will go to exercise number 5.2.